Hello everyone, I'm Amir Marashi and today is 9th of September of 2029, 9/9/2029, and we are looking for business and marketing news. Let's go together and talk about it very simple in Easy English podcast. There is a very big bank in the world. Its name is HSBC. The news is from Bloomberg. Think of HSBC like a giant ship that carries money for people, companies, and governments. One year ago, a new captain came. His name is Georges El Herdary. He is the CEO, the boss of the bank. His job is to guide the ship, keep it safe, and make investors happy. At first, he did very well. Investors were smiling because the bank looked strong. But now some big problems are coming. High cost, the bank is spending too much money like a family that spends more than it earns. Trade war. Countries like the US and China are fighting about trade and taxes. This fight makes the world economy shaky like a big storm hitting the ship. So the CEO has a very hard job. If he can control the costs and guide the bank through the trade war, then HSBC will grow stronger and investors will trust him more. But if he fails, the bank may lose money and people may lose trust. Here for businesses and students, it's a lesson that HSBC is making the biggest changes in 10 years, and all eyes on the new CEO to see if he can handle the storm. Today we talk about a place called Svalbard. It is a group of islands far in the north, close to the North Pole. Svalbard belong to Norway. The news also from Bloomberg. I want to share with you something about Svalbard here. If you see uh, why it is important, first, it is the closest town on Earth to the North Pole. Second, it is in a special location between Europe and Russia. Now here is the problem. Norway and Russia are not very friendly right now because of the war in Ukraine. And this makes a Svalbard more important, but also more dangerous. Svalbard is not just ice and snow. It has resources like oil, gas, and new sea routes for ships when the ice melts. That means countries see money and power there. You in these pictures, you can see that most of the time. Here is a snowy, and it's north of the Earth, and here I want to show you where is a Svalbard in some here for I want here you can see Canada. Here is Russia in Asia. Here is Europe, Greenland from Denmark, and Svalbard from Norway. And it is very important for we wanna explain about in the world stock market. And first, we'll start with America. S&P 500. This is the average of 500 big companies in the US. It went up a little, 0.21%. Dow Jones, this shows 30 of the oldest and biggest companies. It also went up 0.25%. And NASDAQ, this is mostly technology companies like Apple, Google, Tesla. It went up more, 0.45%. Russell 2000, this is smaller US companies. It went up a little, 0.16%. America is mostly positive, especially in technology, especially technology companies. Europe, Germany, DAX, up 0.89%. UK, FTSE 100, up 0.14%. France, CAC 40, up 0.78%. Spain, IBEX 35, up 1.02%. Europe is also very positive, especially Spain and Germany. Japan, Nikkei 225, up a little, positive 0.0585%. China SSE down negative 0.29%. Hong Kong Hang Seng up 0.71%. India Sensex Nifty up about 0.40%. Asia 50 index up strongly, 2.50% positive. Asia is mixed. China went down, but India and Hong Kong went up. And about big companies, Meta included Facebook and Instagram down a little, negative 0.02%. Google Alphabet down negative 0.34%. Intel down a small, negative 0.04%. Bank of America down 0.62%. AT&T down the most, 2.38%. Big tech companies are slightly down, not a big problem. America going up, especially technology. Europe very strong, big growth. Asia mix, China down, India and Hong Kong up. Big companies, Facebook, Google, and others are a little down. Overall, the global market is healthy and mostly positive today. About crypto market today, Bitcoin, BTC, let's go and see that what happened today. Crypto means digital money that is not controlled by any bank. Example are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Bitcoin BTC price is about $111K. It went down a little, negative 0.36%. If you had $100 yesterday, today it is worth $99.6. Ethereum ETH price is about $4,300. It also went down a little. It's negative 0.12%. Binance Coin BNB price is about $474. It dropped 0.40%. Cardano and Ripple ADA and XRP both also went down slightly. Tether always close to $1. This is called a stable coin because it stays near $1. Dogecoin price is $0.23. It fell more than others, negative 2.26%. Chainlink price is about $23. It is the only coin going up today, 0.03%. In the news market, some experts say Ethereum may fall more. Bitcoin still looks strong because many people buy it through EFTs, special invest funds, and most coins are down a little today. Only Chainlink is up slightly. Crypto always goes up and down. About a stable coin, and imagine you get your salary every month. Normally, your money goes into a bank account, and then you use your bank card to spend it. The bank is always in the middle. Now there is something new called stable coins. This is digital money like crypto, but its value is stable. One stable coin is always equal to one US dollar. It does not go up and down like Bitcoin. So if companies start paying salaries in stable coins, people can get money directly on their phone without using a bank. For people, this is good. It's faster, it's cheaper. You can send it anywhere in the world. But for banks, it is scary. They lose control. They cannot charge fees. They cannot see where people spend money. So this is why Bloomberg says your paycheck is stable coins, is a local bank's worst nightmare. Stable coins can make life easier for people, but it can take power away from banks. That is why banks are worried. Here we are in currency, and currency means the money of each country, like Australian dollar and US dollar, and euro and Japanese yen. On this chart, we see how much one money is worth compared to another money. What do the numbers mean? Australian dollar compared with American dollar, 0.661 Australian dollar is about 66 cents in US money. If the number goes up, it's with green color, Australian dollar is stronger. If the number goes down with red, Australian dollar is weaker. Why does it change? Because of economic news like jobs growth, inflation, buying and selling between countries, confidence. If people believe the economy is strong, the money gets stronger. If Australian dollar is strong, travel overseas is cheaper because your money buys more. If Australian dollar is weak, imports like iPhone, cars, clothes from outside cost more. Australia's economy showed good growth, GDP up. This helped Australian dollars go a little higher, but US jobs report was weak. This made US dollar a little lower. Together, this means Australian dollar compared to US dollar is a bit stronger now. And totally, we see that green number and money is stronger. Red number means money weaker, and a strong Australian dollar, good for travel, bad for import. Talk about stock market winners, the companies whose prices went up the most. When we say a company, a stock price goes up, it means if you own their shares, your money is now worth more. Oravanda mining price is $1 14. It went up by almost 9%. Resolute mining price is 0.8. It grew 8%. Hunter Gold price is $5.16. It increased by 6%. IDP Education, a well-known education company, price is $5.53. It went up 4%. Why did they go up? Many mining and gold companies went up because investors are more confident about gold today. IDP Education went up because of changes in company leadership. Investors think this is a good sign. News and trust are very powerful in the market. The stock market is like a mirror of news and confidence. If good news comes, prices usually go up. If bad news comes, prices usually go down. Today, gold companies and an education company are the big winners. That's all for today market update.